come in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level on this device with the help of the decibel meter. So I'll just enable the maximum mode here. This mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the higher volume level during our song, then just here on the display the value will change. So let's start. So as can you see, the HUAWEI P50 Pro reached the 112.9 decibels. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.